Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I am really glad to participate in this wonderful and precious activity of the Beacon English Language Center. My association with the Hamadullah Sheikh Saab is a very old, but this is the first time that I am participating as a guest in this wonderful activity. I think this is very clear that the education is the cornerstone of the all developments of the life. And in Pakistan, I think this is the particular context why we propagate the significance of English language. You must know there are the various countries in the world that don't promote the significance, they don't promote the English language, but they are developed. The question arises here, in particular context of the Pakistan, English language significance is very paramount. So I think in this connection, Ahmadullah Sheikh Saab's efforts and the Beacon English Language Center's contribution is very much valid. And we hope it will continue in future as a good institute for the learning of the students. There is another encouraging thing which I found in the activities of the Beacon English Language Center, that they had initiated the integrated approach. I mean, English language is the paramount for them, but over the passage of time, they have developed the other certain areas of the life and they have mixed with the English language, like the tableaus, like the speeches, like the parody of the prominent artists. So this is very unique. But one thing I would like to advise in future activities, if you take it a positive or you take it as a my polite suggestion, that there should be the much significance on the skills, whether the speaking skills or the documentation skills and all the tableaus and all the speeches or all the other activities should have links, logical links with the English language development or with the development of the English language skills. Only performing Jalal Chandio's singing song or the other 14 August context of songs is very good activity. It is also the reflection of the confidence of the students. But if you make the logical links with the English language or with the development of the English language, then it will be the very productive for the center, for the people, for the teachers, and for the rest of all the guests who come here to see the grooming and talent which is undertaken under the institute. So this is my very polite and humble suggestion to chief organizers of the English Language Center of the Beacon House. And last, I would appreciate the efforts, as said, in hot weather. The participation of the people of the Khairpur in this event shows the interest of the people in these kind of the good activities. So we hope this would persist. We hope this would constantly be happening in Khairpur for the betterment of the students and as well as for all the people of the Khairpur. Hamadullah Sheikh Saab deserves much appreciation, and as well as the students of the center deserve much appreciation, and we hope this will continue in near future. Thank you very much.
Vari varando vah, vari vasanda meeh, vari varando vah, vari vasanda meeh, sajjan milanda sajjan si nawa laganda neeh, vishode jadi hai rahi randa ketra. Now I am going to call Mr. Noor Hassan Sher, IRC Khairpur, to come here and give some comments.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. First of all, I must appreciate Professor Hamadullah, his team, and all the students of Beacon Academy, Beacon Laboratories for such a nice job. It's a pleasure and it's good to participate and be a part of such colorful program. They deserve all the felicitations and congratulations on the one hand. On the second hand, that is very much important. I would like to appreciate and congratulate Professor Hamadullah and his team for establishing a good quality English language center and science laboratories and computer lab. I think we all know that in this world, the survival of the nations is very closely connected and limited to the progress in all those areas, the language, the science, and the computer. And whatever you are doing, Professor Hamadullah, I think it's a big jihad. That is the right way of doing jihad that Hamadullah you are doing. Please keep it continue. We all must support this. And the other thing is, when I have interacted with different people in different areas of Sindh, I have seen that this part of the world which is known as Sindh has very rich talent. In all the areas of Sindh, you will find very rich talent. But one thing we lack, that is language, and that is English. And lacking in English drags us behind. Having a lot of talent, still we are packed with problems. Why? Because we are backward in those areas which you are especially focusing. So please focus those areas as much as possible. And the other thing, I would like to second Mr. Akram Sheikh, what he has said, that there is a need of making things more academic. You know, when you go to India, you would find a very important thing in Indian schools. They all say that the future of nation is made in classrooms. So those classrooms may be the classrooms of a normal school, the classrooms of a university, or the classrooms of this Bacon Academy. What is done here? It is the future of nation that is being made. So I think the future of the nation is in the hands of those persons like Professor Hamadullah and his team and the teachers. Here there are many teachers as well, they are participating in this program. So finally, I would say that you people, we people, being related with education, we must try to bring this nation very much ahead. We need to do a lot for these people. These people have talent. And you know that individuals, the children, a single individual, if you make the life a single individual, it's not the life of a single person, but it is the life of a whole nation. When you are grooming a child, you are grooming a whole nation. That's not a single child. That child will go ahead. It will contribute in the lives of many people. So, contributing in the life of an individual is contributing in the life and future of whole nation. So, I must appreciate all of your work. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, because this is the first time I am participating in your program. Thank you very much. Go ahead, please.